This is an only cat flap update. I'm so excited. So listen guys, I wanted to share more about my new installation, my only cat flap, because it was a big investment, as you know. But so as many of you know, my prolific little hunter Luca is still confined to his box watching me make this video, I might add. So only Rose is using the cat flap at the moment. But it's been an interesting first week. Firstly, we had a dog, yes a dog, trying to enter the cat flap at 2 a.m. in the morning. Take a look. We've only got hedges in our garden, so it is easy for a dog to roam, although I do think owners should not let their dogs roam at 2 a.m. in the morning. Then we have some cats who clearly want to live with us, who don't belong to us. I don't blame them, this is a luxury house for cats. But I'm not sure if I prefer the stripy one or the black one. What do you think? Then we have contraband. Now what do I mean? Well, Rose, last week, tried to bring a mouse in. Might have been a rat. You can tell me when you've seen the video. And she tried 5 times, but only Flap sent me a warning on my phone, said there was a critical warning that contraband was being brought into the house and had been stopped. So as Rose approaches the only cat flap with the contraband, otherwise known to you and I as a mouse, in her mouth, the cat flap locks for 20 minutes. And she kept trying, and eventually she gave up and took the little critter somewhere else and hopefully gave it a kind burial. Or let it run free. I suspect it would be the former. Now this was my major problem, because once spring hits, every day I get birds, mice, rats, sometimes alive, sometimes dead, feathers everywhere. If the mice are alive and they run off and die somewhere, the house then smells for weeks. So stopping that was absolutely critical. And it looks like it works. I'm so happy with my only cat flap, honestly. It is expensive, but actually for me, it's worth it from so many perspectives. And the added bonus is I can now lock it, open it, let Rose in and out remotely. So wherever I am, as soon as I see the sun setting, if she's in the house already and the flap tells me if she is, I put it on locked. If she's not in, I put it on in only. So once she comes in, she's locked in. And it gives me peace of mind because, you know, I've had trouble with the road, always at night time. So once Luca is rehabilitated, which will be in about 2 weeks, we can then program the cat flap to him. At the moment, I won't, so it will still let Rose in and out, but not Luca. And then once he's ready to go, I'll program it to him. So I'm loving my only cat flap, and it has done the job that I wanted it to do in every single way. And of course we will add a link to the only cat flap and where you can buy it. There are different ways of buying it, different things that it does and different subscriptions, but I can wholeheartedly recommend it, and it's keeping my pussycat safe. Take care.